Private capital, on the other hand, is much more readily available. And about 90% of jobs in developing economies are in the private sector.
But even in Ukraine, the private sector is alive and well. It's just different from the private sector we think about. But if you see Ukraine and you look at the private sector there, the World Bank is actually financing trade finance, and we're putting money into insurance companies. And there is a private sector in technology, in drone manufacturing, in all that. So every country has something going on. The question is, can you encourage that private sector through catalytic capital to go further? You can never do that without the right governance and policies and the right infrastructure. It's absolutely correct. But you can't solve every country, but you can solve 20. You made a difference in the lives of the millions of people in those 20. And that's the kind of focus we're on. Work on infrastructure, work on right governance and policies, because we are a knowledge bank, not just a money bank. We can actually help with that. And then work with the private sector and do it in those 5 sectors I'm talking about, either as an entrepreneur or as a job, working for somebody else. And that's the pivot the World Bank is on.
But if someone comes to you and says, what's in it for me? What's your answer?
What's in it for you in a country is the fact that if you can help to grow the economy overseas and create jobs, your companies benefit, your products benefit, your technology benefits, and most importantly, you ensure that there are stable systems and stable societies and stable markets over